How to modify the object.
So my friends, now I will show you a quick preview how to modify the object in the DJI Smart Farm app. So you may plant in Farmland or Orchard, but the thing is, for example, in a cloud reconstruction, you can go the Farmland. So here you can plant the fields, right? So you have a fields, you have these fields, but you do not know how to add the objects. So of course, when you open the AI, so you will see I select the object, look like this. So how did I select this object in this AI? So here you get lost, but don't worry, I will show you today. For example, I planted the fields here, okay, then I will click here, the edit, okay. In the edit, you can go for correction. So corrections, then you can select it. For example, I have selected the farmland. This is a water, right? So I will make it the farmlands. So select, for example, trees. Just click here, which area I want to mark as a trees. And then finalize. Maybe this area I want to mark as a waters or the pool inside. If you say the pool, we have any pool, yeah, the pool, that means obstacle. Make the pool. Let me see. Pool. No. Minute. Trees. Okay. Farmland. Oh, it's just changes. Okay. So first I just make trees. This is a farmland, okay. Then you need to deselect first. Save. Okay. So using the mouse is much easier, okay, than the pole. For example, somewhere here. Okay, that's all. Save. So you will realize, I suppose, once you things already safe, so it's will be safe already. Okay, this is if you want to delete boundary points, you want to clear everything, you can clear it. Okay, so once it is done, you can move backward. So this is your machine plans. That's how you can make the correction, the obstacle, or maybe the pole or the water, any object here. Okay, if you are going for the fruit trees, yeah, you have to go in the fruit trees, but always here, this is the correction points. Many people mix this. Once you're done, you can click save, and you can show to your friends. Your friends will receive it, right? So this is how we add the modify object. If you say objects, you can go to orchard. It's the same thing. Click the orchard, route plannings. Now I plan some route. So you need to first click any plans so that you can see the then edit. Okay. Okay, a minute, I will show you. Oh yeah, for this, the fly route setting. Yeah, so in the fly route setting, you can modify AI map. So for the fruit tree, this is a way you can modify. So of course, for the fruit tree, we have a tree crown centers, which is 1 tree by 1 trees. Okay, you turn off. Let's say I want to modify tree crowns like this. Okay, these tree crowns, maybe this is the trees. Okay, so 1 tree. So This is how I can modify the AI map in the Fruittrees settings. So I hope this video help you a lot with the modification on DJI smartphone web in terms of fruity orchard or the fields. Whichever help you, just you may use it. Thank you, my friends, for asking me this question. So at least I can help you with the modification in the new DJI smartphone web as of the 21st April 2026. I'm making this video. So anyone, any user, you still have any doubt, any question using the DJI smartphone web, just let me know. You can type DJI smartphone web or my name's Wunna, DJI smartphone web Wunna. So Wunna like WUNNA, this is my name. So Wunna, just let me know anything. I'm in Facebook, you may see my name's Wunna, or on YouTube you may see my name's Wunna, DJI agriculture drone exports. You will see me there. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.